Hey guys, Rap Performance. We're back working on the '84 Camaro. I had some videos about the distributor and the carburetor I was doing for it. So we were doing the back because we're going to be going over the whole car. Pretty much it's a restoration, and it needed some metal work back here. So we're back today. The metal work was done. We ended up using panel bond instead of welding it all, just so it made a watertight seal. And it basically we needed a mechanical adhesive that would bond the whole strip here. So we did a bead break and we made a 90-degree piece. So this is pretty much set. It's bonded in. The whole car moves with it. We're going to hammer and dolly this lip right here to get that tight. This is where the weather stripping will go. So we'll hammer and dolly this as tight as we can get it, and then we'll come with the grinder and the flap wheel, and we're going to grind the top of this down to meet along with the front face, and then we'll probably coat it. We'll probably chassis coat it. You really never even see this, but we'll just make it a watertight seal and chassis coat it, and then hopefully it'll last for another 20 or 30 years. We needed to do this because when you're slamming the trunk down, this piece was starting to flex and crack because of the rust. So we needed to add another piece here just to give it another, like I said, 20 or 30 years of good use. So that's what we're going to be doing here. I just want to make a quick note about it. And there'll be more videos to come on all the little metal work and the body work that we're going to be doing on this '84 Camaro. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe, please. And with Swepco Southwestern Petroleum. If you need any products, just let us know.
Corto.